build a home on laughter, trust, and shared dreams. A man, a woman, and children who filled the room with love, joy. Every morning felt like a blessing, every night like a promise to the world. They were perfect, a family bound by love. Smile grew deeper and life felt complete.
She be Monsieur Cassia, nobody but fee. And see, Gina didn't disabema. I guess I was here, but we are young.
My life is messed up! Joe, you're still crying.
Yes, sir.
I know, sir. Very soon. Everything will be normal.
Oh, God. I feel like taking my life.